Alright, do I get something with that? Did I get a kill? Oh, I got hit markers on somebody. Oh, boom! Yes! Oh my god! I just got a fucking double! Oh my god! How did that even happen? How did that even happen? Oh my god. I'm so fucking... Oh my god. We did it!
Sound like no, that was bullshit. Like you cannot sit there and tell me those shots that none of those shots hit him. You cannot tell me that. You cannot. And unsubscribe. I don't want your shit facts. No. Nice fucking try, random. You gotta be quicker than that. I got fast fingers, buddy. You gotta be quicker than that. You gotta be quicker than that if you're gonna try to be racist. You gotta be quicker than that. Yo, Diz, I think that for my 3 sub, dude. What's up, man?
Keep up the work. Also, I hate niggers.
Oh my god. Oh my god, kid! Why are you... Mods, put... I'll do it myself. I'll do it my fucking self. Oh my god, you're so fucking annoying.
Zephix, thank you for the new sub, man, for real.
Never stop fighting. Hello.
I'm pretty important. Yes, you are. And you're welcome here. Can I get some Tad W7s in the chat for I'm pretty important? Thank you for the support. Appreciate it, man. Tad L's in the chat. Thank you very much. If you guys are new here, I just busted my monitor. Oh my goodness. Okay? We're okay. I smacked the back of it with the microphone. I'm not going to do that again. Thanks, guys, for being here. Drop a follow on the channel if you are new. 1G in the chat if you've been here before. Thank you very much. Can't do this without you guys hanging out. Appreciate all y'all, even especially, I should say, Animal the Top D. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
I got you, big dog. Do you like black dick? I feel like limiting yourself to one color, one shade of penis is dangerous, you know? I'm in love with your boobs. Laugh my ass off. Why does that make you laugh like that? You guys want? This is a Scarlett Johansson song.
Trust.
I'm not repairing him over it. Oh my god. I'm out. Sorry, bud. Oh my god, did that actually just happen? Did I just crash into the other plane? Oh my god, there's tits! But where is the head? I always ask that in a relationship. Where is all the head? Oh god! Jesus, you piece of shit developer. That is not funny. That is bullshit. That is bullshit. God.
Hey, later, bitch! I'll see you at home! God, that was fucking swag as fuck! Woo! And keep on driving, baby! How I do what I do, bitch! Can't stop me, Stream Sniper! You can't stop me, Stream Sniper! You can't stop me, Stream...
The hell? Are they teaming?
Dude, this fucking man, I swear to God!
Last one. Do the arm thing, bro. Fuck! No! can't see. No! The plate broke. Fuck.
Loot it, loot it, loot it.
The bomb's coming? Oh my god, get in the car. Get in the car! Get in! Get in!
I can't get. Wait the fuck up!
Ah!
There, I'm in.
And that's why it's sometimes different. You have to wait. Bryce is like, wait, is it coming? Okay, Bryce.
What is hitting me? Oh. There was a car. His car circled behind me on its own and fucking. You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Oh my god, you just scared the shit out of me, cat!
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, baby. Don't put your butthole on the screen, please.
Hold on, sorry, I have to take care of this.
You look cute. Kill all niggers.
Okay, whoa, Jesus Christ, no. Don't do that, don't do that. I have to ban you from my donations or whatever now. Cover ears, sorry about that, sorry. I hate racism, I'm sorry. I was late to that, I should have skipped it really quick.
In a cage. Okay, now you're speaking a different language, bro. George. Yeah, actually, he's the one I bought this car off. Back when it ran. Oh, shit!
Well, that is right on the camera.
No.
My ass! Fuck my ass! Fuck my ass!
I don't like this.
Fuck my ass! And no, fuck my ass! Let them fuck my ass! Two dicks in my ass never bothered me anyways. Here we go, nigger. It's funny how some distance could fuck your fuck. Jesus Christ, how is this even both?
Cagney sounds like a preschooler. Her voice is nails on a chalkboard. Hey, I don't give a damn what she sounds like when that dick is around my mouth. Or what? That mouth? I said that wrong. I said that wrong. No! Oh! I meant to say mouth. No! No! Dude, I fucked up.
you after me?
Ladies and gentlemen, remember to subscribe if you want to keep up with all the new fails on Twitch. I'll see you on the next one, and goodbye!